This is a mini review for the Riotoro Enigma G2 850 watt power supply. The original Riotoro Enigma 850 watt, without the G2 moniker, was a semi-modular power supply. This G2 refresh is fully modular, has an upgraded fan, and uses all Japanese capacitors. The 850 watt G2 variant is actually a rebranded Seasonic Focus Plus Gold. One point of note is on the box it states a 7-year warranty. However, Riotoro have increased this to 10 years on their website. In the box, you get the power supply unit in a cloth bag. The modular cables are also supplied in their own cloth bag and consist of the ATX cable, two 8-pin CPU cables which are the 4+4 pin type, 3 8-pin PCIe cables with a total of 6 actual PCIe connectors, 3 SATA cables with a total of 10 SATA connectors, 2 Molex cables, 5 Molex connectors altogether, and 1 floppy drive connector cable. You also get a bag with Riotoro branded Velcro strips, cable ties, power supply mounting screws, and stickers. Last but not least, you get the wall plug and a quick start guide. On the back of the power supply is a button labelled Hybrid mode, which the quick start guide doesn't mention, but the website states it toggles between 3 fan modes: fanless, silent, and max cooling. Looking at the cables again, the peripherals are all flat with the main set being sleeved. These also have a thick tape of some sort near the connector. This may be there to reinforce the cable, but I'll have to see if it will make cable management more problematic. So this is the completed build. There's no doubting the quality of the power supply, but as suspected, the way Riotoro have done the cabling at the ends does create problems. It seems a bit odd to tape and glue this thick banding near the connectors, and as you can see, it does indeed make cable management ugly and difficult. Otherwise, this PSU is perfect. Regarding the hybrid button, maybe it's because I haven't stressed it enough, but it seems to me that the button just toggles between 2 modes of manual fan on and off. I don't know if it's an auto off so that if it gets hot the fan kicks in, but I'll have to see over time. I bought this power supply unit when it was on offer for £70 and it usually retails around £80. If I knew then what I know now, I probably wouldn't have bought it purely down to the cabling and would have gone for something like the Corsair RMX series, which at the time cost around £15 more. But I think they have all flat cables. But apart from the cabling, I think it's alright.